Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I am here in this person's den. They're gonna say that they're giving away a spike or an HD, and I really don't believe that, cause he won't even show it to us, so oops, okay. So I'm just gonna report him just in case scamming. Okay. Okay, so but yeah, so right now I am just recording because just in case he does scam, and you know guys, I always report scammers, so yeah. So if this person scams, then he is gonna be bad luck, so are you on the scare? I'm gonna just wait till he shows it to us, so I'm recording. I'm just gonna report this person just in case. Oops. Did we just get locked out? Okay guys, so report Julian, this guy right here, for trying to scam. Guys, don't scam. So okay guys, so report that person, and yeah, I'll see y'all next time. Bye.